Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record sales invoices in Gnucash. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Gnucash application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to wait a moment while your financial data loads up completely. This ensures all your accounts and records are properly accessible before you begin working with invoices. Now that everything has loaded, you'll want to select the specific account where you wish to record your sales invoice. This is important because it determines where the transaction will be logged in your accounting system. Once you've selected the appropriate account, direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on the Business tab. This tab contains all your business-related features and functions. After clicking on Business, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, hover your cursor over the Customer option. When you do this, the menu will expand further to reveal additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on New Invoice to begin creating your sales invoice. A new invoice window will now appear on your screen. Here's where you'll enter all the essential details for your sales invoice. Start by filling in the Invoice ID field, which helps you uniquely identify this particular invoice. Next, you'll need to set the date using the drop-down arrow in the Date Open section. Make sure to select the correct date as this affects your financial records and reporting. Now, move to the Customer field and enter the name of your customer. This is a required field and ensures the invoice is properly assigned to the right client. If needed, you can also fill in optional fields like Job and Billing ID, which can help with organizing and tracking specific projects or billing cycles. Additionally, there's a Notes field where you can add any relevant information or special instructions related to this invoice. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on OK to proceed. After clicking OK, an invoice field will appear below where you can add the actual line items for your invoice. Start by entering a clear description of the product or service you're invoicing for. Then select the appropriate action from the drop-down menu, which typically includes options like hours, materials, or project, depending on what you're billing for. Next, choose the income account where this revenue should be recorded. This ensures proper categorization in your financial reports. Continue by entering the quantity of items or hours being billed, followed by the unit price for each item. If you're offering any discount on this invoice, you can enter that information in the discount field as well. Take a moment to review all the fields you've configured to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied with all the information, click on Save located on the top part of your screen. This will record your sales invoice in Gnucash and update your accounts accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a sales invoice in Gnucash, properly documenting your income and customer transactions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.